What if you could make money while you sleep? Sounds like a dream, right? But what if it's not only a dream but a reality for many people around the world? And no, we're not talking about winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune. We're talking about passive income, a financial strategy that's transforming the way people think about money and work. Imagine financial freedom, the kind where your income isn't tied to the hours you clock in at a job. Instead, your money works for you, even when you're not actively involved. This is the power of passive income. It's like a well-oiled machine, churning out profits regardless of whether you're at the beach, reading a book, or catching up on some much-needed sleep. Not only does passive income contribute to financial stability, but it also opens doors to financial freedom, giving you more control over your time and life. Now let's dive into the world of passive income and explore some of the best ways to achieve financial freedom. One of the most traditional forms of passive income is through real estate investments. So, let's dive into the world of bricks and mortar and see how it can be a lucrative source of passive income. There are several ways to invest in real estate, and each method can generate a steady stream of income. The first one that probably comes to mind is rental properties. Whether it's a residential property like a house or apartment, or a commercial property like an office building or retail space, the concept is the same. You buy a property, find tenants, and collect rent. The rent provides a regular income while the property itself can appreciate in value over time. Next, we have real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. When you invest in a REIT, you're buying shares of a company, not a physical property. This means you can invest with less money up front and still get a slice of the income from a diverse portfolio of properties. Another exciting avenue of real estate investment is crowdfunding platforms. These platforms allow you to pool your money with other investors to fund a real estate project. This can be anything from a single-family home to a large-scale commercial development. The beauty of crowdfunding is that it allows you to invest in real estate deals that would otherwise be out of reach for individual investors. Each of these methods can generate passive income, but they do come with their own set of risks and rewards. Rental properties, for example, require more hands-on management, but can provide a stable income. REITs, on the other hand, are more hands-off, but the income can be less predictable. Crowdfunding is a newer method with high potential returns, but it also carries a higher risk. While real estate investments require initial capital, they can provide a steady stream of passive income once set up. So whether you're looking to buy a rental property, invest in a REIT, or try your hand at real estate crowdfunding, there's a wealth of opportunities in the real estate market to build a passive income stream. Another popular method of generating passive income is through stock market investments. Now, the stock market might seem a bit daunting, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Let's start with the basics. Stock market investments come in many shapes and sizes, ranging from individual stocks to mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, often referred to as ETFs. Now imagine you're buying a slice of a company when you purchase individual stocks. It's like owning a tiny fraction of that company. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your slice or stock increases. Mutual funds, on the other hand, are like a buffet. Instead of buying a single slice, you're buying a little bit of lots of different companies all at once. It's a great way to diversify your investments and spread your risk across many companies instead of relying on the performance of just one. Then we have exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These are similar to mutual funds, but with a twist. ETFs are traded on the stock exchange like individual stocks, which means they can be bought and sold throughout the day at varying prices. Now let's talk about a key aspect of stock market investments: dividends. Dividends are essentially a portion of a company's earnings that are distributed to shareholders. That's you if you own the company's stock. Some companies offer regular dividends, which can be a steady source of passive income. Remember though, investing in stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires careful planning, research, and a bit of patience. You need to understand the companies you're investing in, keep an eye on market trends, and be prepared for the ups and downs that come with the territory. Investing in the stock market can be risky, but with careful planning and research, it can become a solid source of passive income. So, are you ready to dive into the world of stock market investments? If you have a website or a blog, affiliate marketing can be an excellent way to generate passive income. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Picture this. You're the middleman between a buyer and a seller. You don't need to create a product or offer a service. Instead, you promote other people's products or services on your website or blog. When your audience makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. The seller gains a customer, the buyer finds what they're looking for, and you get a share of the profits. So, how does affiliate marketing work? Let's break it down. First, you join an affiliate program and select the products or services you want to promote. Then, you'll receive a unique affiliate code. You'll use this code to refer traffic to the target site. Each time a purchase is made through your link, your affiliate ID is recorded and you receive a commission. Now, you might be wondering, how can I earn money from affiliate marketing? The key lies in the content you create. By producing high-quality, engaging content that genuinely helps your audience, you can drive traffic to your affiliate links. It's about building trust with your audience. If they trust your recommendations, they're more likely to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. There are numerous affiliate marketing programs out there. Amazon Associates is one of the most popular, offering a vast array of products to promote. ClickBank is another great platform, especially for digital products. Commission Junction, Share a Sale, and Rakuten are also worth exploring. Remember, the success of affiliate marketing depends on your ability to drive traffic to your site and convert that traffic into sales. It takes time, effort, and patience. You'll need to understand your audience, create compelling content, and stay consistent. Affiliate marketing might not make you rich overnight, but with consistency and quality content, it can become a significant source of passive income. Selling knowledge in the form of online courses and ebooks is another great way to earn passive income. In the digital age, knowledge is a highly sought-after commodity. If you possess expertise in a certain field or a unique skill set, you can monetize it by creating online courses or penning ebooks. The beauty of these methods is that they can be created once and sold indefinitely, providing an ongoing source of income. Creating an online course is like building your very own educational institution. You control the curriculum, the course materials, and the learning pace. You can use platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare to host your course, reaching a vast audience without the need for physical infrastructure or advertising. Each time a student enrolls in your course, you earn money, and the more popular your course becomes, the more passive income you generate. Ebooks, on the other hand, are digital books that can be written on a variety of topics. Whether you're a seasoned writer or a novice, you can write an ebook. From cookbooks to how-to guides, from self-help to fiction, the possibilities are endless. Once your ebook is written, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Apple Books, or Google Play Books. Every time someone purchases your ebook, you earn a royalty. The potential income from these methods can vary greatly based on the topic, the quality of your content, and your marketing efforts. However, top course creators and ebook authors have been known to earn six-figure incomes annually. Remember, creating online courses and ebooks isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and a lot of dedication. You need to constantly update your course materials to stay relevant and promote your ebooks to reach a wider audience. But the investment is worth it. Creating online courses and ebooks requires time and effort, but once they're up and running, they can generate income for years to come. These are just a few of the ways one can generate passive income and achieve financial freedom. We've journeyed through the world of real estate, where properties become profit-generating assets. We've navigated the stock market, where shares and dividends can translate into a steady stream of income. We've delved into affiliate marketing, a space where promoting products can yield impressive returns. And we've explored the realm of online courses and ebooks, where your knowledge and expertise can be monetized. Each of these areas holds potential for anyone willing to venture into them. They offer a chance to earn money while freeing up time, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in life. They are not magic money-making machines, rather, they are opportunities that require dedication, strategy, and a willingness to learn. Remember, achieving financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and patience. But with the right methods, you too can start earning money while you sleep.